This, sorry, this video is really stupid, but, is it weird that I actually love weather like this? I love the rain. I just love it all. Oh, look at the tree over there. It's beautiful. I just love it all, and it makes it, I don't know, is it weird? I can also smell the rain. Like, just look outside your window and just sniff and see if you can freaking, like, smell rain. It's delightful. It makes you just want to cuddle up and go to bed. Look at my bed, so nice and okay, the lights off, but I'm preserving energy, and I love the thunder. I love everything about it. To me, it's just all amazing. I love this weather. I really do. I think it's fantastic. And maybe I should hold the iPod with 2 hands so it falls out the window. But I just love it. Like, I'm probably gonna get some water and stuff down to it a little. But see if it's stuff. We didn't get water. Oh, got water on the screen. Okay, well, bye. And leave a comment if you like this weather too. Tell me how it makes you feel. Okay. Yep. Bye.